All right, I got my red, green, blue, and my horizontal and vertical. This glitch wire is like super long, so I'm gonna trim some of that down. This should be plenty. Cool. Then I got my ground. I'll trim some of that down. And my positive voltage here, my red guy. I'll trim that down too. Don't trim too much, because then it will be tough. Again, we're trying to make them as short as we can without making it incredibly difficult to get in there. So let's see, how long are these? Let's see how long they are. I've got this down to what it looks like 40 millimeters, 4 centimeters. Okay, so let's plug in my glitch wire. Got my finger underneath. I'm going to bend the wire to the side to hold it in there. Yep. Then my ground. Looks like that needs to be twisted again. Cool. What glitch? You came out of there, buddy. Go back in there. Okay. Then my ground, you get in there. Okay. Good. And then my positive voltage. Cool. And those are going to be supplying power back to the VGA tester.